How to install Inzoi app on laptop or Mac or on your PC. So basically, there's actually two things where you can play and install this specific Inzoi app on your PC. So the very first thing that you can do is to pull up your preferred web browser and then just directly type in playinzoi.com. Now in this phase right here, all you just have to do is just to hit on sign in, then you can just actually play the game now on the web version. The other thing that you can do is via your Steam account. Now head over directly to your Steam app or through your Steam software, log into your account, and then head over directly to the search bar and just simply type in Inzoi. So this is going to be the application that we're looking for. What you want to do from here is to purchase the game, add this first to your cart, and install it without any problems. And those are the things that you can do for you to be able to install Inzoi app on your PC or Mac.